As a graduate of Chestnut Hill College.
As a graduate of Chestnut Hill College.
As a graduate of Chestnut Hill College, I value personal and professional growth throughout the community.
I value academic excellence. I value ethical principles. I value Catholic intellectual tradition, history, and legacy.
I value spirituality. I value service. I value concern for the earth.
I value holistic pursuit of truth, integrity, and justice. I value inclusive community.
I've been formed by the core values of Chestnut Hill College. I go forth with both courage and confidence, promising to carry with me the mission of unity into my work, my relationships, and the world.
I am grateful for the faculty at Chestnut Hill College, for my advisor, Dr. Scott Browning, and for the clients with whom I work. I promise to always work hard for them.
I am grateful for professors, administrators, and lifelong friends who have believed in me and pushed me to be the best version of myself throughout these last 3 years.
I am grateful for my professors who challenged me academically while maintaining instructional integrity while supporting me as an adult student.
Come live in the light, shine with the joy and the love of the Lord. We are called to be light for the kingdom, to live in the freedom of the city of God. We are called to act with justice. We are called to love tenderly. We are called to serve one another, to walk humbly with